Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your antenna type and power needs, then mount it where the sky view is clearest. Attach the mount securely to a non-metallic or isolated surface to avoid signal shadowing. Make sure connectors match the receiver. Run the coax toward your receiver through a weatherproof grommet and seal exterior penetrations to prevent water ingress. Once done, loosely connect the antenna to the cable so you can finish routing and test alignment without stressing connectors. You should route the cable with gentle curves to preserve signal. Avoid sharp bends and runaways near high-power electronics that cause interference. Strip and crimp or solder the connector precisely, because a poor termination raises loss and reduces satellite lock time. Once connected to the receiver, enable antenna power only if it is active. This supplies the internal LNA and improves SNR. Make sure to check polarity and connector type so you don't damage components, and secure excess cable with Velcro or clips. You finish by powering the receiver and confirming satellite lock and SNR values. Look for steady fixes and at least 4-6 satellites for reliable positioning. If SNR or satellite count is low, move the antenna a few feet or change orientation to reduce multipath. Make small adjustments and observe changes. For troubleshooting, check antenna power voltage, measure coax continuity and SWR if possible, and inspect connectors for corrosion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.